everybody. So I'm having serious malfunctions with my camera today, and I waited too late to make my video, so there's no natural sunlight. So I had to come into the bathroom and adjust my lighting, and I think we're okay right about there. So today's Ipsy Bag day. This actually came yesterday, but I didn't look up to par to making a video. So I'm gonna open it. So first, we have this cute little bag. It's nice and red. I like the red bag. It's not really my style, but I do like red, obviously. So let's turn up the light a little bit. Okay, so let's see what's inside. We're gonna make this kind of a quick video. Oh, this is cute. It's kind of like a Tetris piece. I actually think it is a Tetris piece. That's cute. Okay, first things first. You get your welcome to the block party. That's cute because these are like little blocks. Cool. All right, score Glam Bag Plus. I don't do Glam Bag Plus. I'm okay with the $10 a month. So you get your first little item here that shows you, I have so much shadowage going on right now. Anyway, so you get your first thing that tells you what's inside, which I always like to do it as a surprise. So I'm just gonna reach in and see what the first item is. So the first one is from Hey Honey, Sweet Treat Wild Berry and Honey Yogurt Recovery Mask. Ooh, cool. Huh. For ingredients and directions, go to heyhoney.com. So there's that. Awesome. Oops, dropping stuff. Okay, the next thing is from Delectable, which I actually have a body butter cream that came from Ipsy a couple of months ago. But this is a butter wash body polish. Let's open that up and smell it. I didn't smell the first one. We'll go back to it. Oh, look. Oh, it popped. It was a bubble. Ooh, so it's kind of got like this scrubby stuff to it. I guess you can exfoliate. And it kind of smells like a cupcake. It actually smells really good. So far, their products are on point with smell. Let's go back to Hey Honey and see what that smells like, because I failed to smell it. Get this off of there. Okay. Ooh, it's like a pink kind of tint. And it doesn't, wild berry and honey. It's a very, very subtle smell. I'm trying to get it to slowly go back in the tube because I accidentally squeezed the crap out of it. But it doesn't really smell. It probably does if you put it on your face, you'll be able to smell it. Okay, the next thing is a nail polish. This is gonna be wild. Wow. From Fluid. And it's very blue. Matches what I have now. I really don't wear blue nail polishes. Maybe on my toes in the summer though, I could try that. It's a pretty blue. Okay. Next is Tetris by Ipsy Lip Balm. So this is what the package looks like. And then I'm excited to see the color. Watch it be green. Okay, so that's the package. This is adorable. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you can see, if I turn up the light a little bit, there it is. In the center, there's something, probably a lip conditioner. I remember a long time ago, this was all the rage, is the lipsticks with the lip conditioner in the middle of it. This is actually a really, that's a full-size lipstick. So awesome. Let's swatch it. Oh, there you go. It's very sheer. Kind of a peach color, a peachy orange color. And it's very, it glides on really smoothly, and it does have a sheen to it, if you can see that. So that's help from the middle part. Okay, lastly, we have Lip Fondant Half Caked. This is adorable packaging. Kind of looks like a cupcake, if you will. See if we can get this open and see what's inside. Obviously something for your lips. tearing this package apart. Okay, so, whoa. Whoa. Oh my gosh. That is extremely pink. Oh my gosh, and it's called Sweet Tooth. Holy moly. And my nails look pink, but they are very, very red, and my lips are red. This is pink. Oh wow. That's like for a night out at the club, which I don't do anymore. Oh my gosh. That is extremely pink. Maybe if you're not into this kind of pink, it would look good with the swimsuit, sunglasses, a little sun hat at the pool. But it's very pink. And what you're seeing on the screen is true to color. That is, whoa. And it doesn't want to come off. So hopefully it has really good staying power. Holy crap. Wow. So these two are kind of like not my style, and Ipsy's been pretty dead on, but this might just take me out of my box a little bit. So that's it. That's all that's in my bags. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next month.